Oh, you did. Lot lizards. It's a hard female drivers now. And I be seeing y'all. Shout out to y'all female drivers. Y'all look good. Nah. I wouldn't date no truck driver.
Real life.
It ain't real life. Just say real life street stars. You know what time it is.
How hard is it to be millionaire status and be in a relationship? Specifically you.
Because you words of wisdom for Zion.
Nah, for black men. Yeah.
For me, it ain't tough, man. I mean, at the end of the day, you just got to understand who got your back, who gonna ride with you. And that's what matters the most. Fuck the money, man. You know, who fuck with you when you ain't have shit, man.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? My daughter mom been there, man. You know what I'm saying? My girl, we have our moments and we may not want to fuck with each other sometimes and get mad at each other, but you can't erase that. You know what I mean? You can't erase a person that you know that was there when you didn't have nothing.
Yes.
When it wasn't no $7.1 million government contract.
Yes.
When you trying to figure out, damn, I had 2 plays, they didn't fall through, rent due, damn. Okay, babe, don't trip. I'm finna go work a double. Most females ain't doing that. You feel what I'm saying? So why would I let the money get to my head and like, man, I'm finna go out here and be like a NBA star and go do wild stuff. Man, ain't nothing out there in the streets.
Ladies, because I learned about lot lizards the last interview. I didn't know they exist. Ladies, would y'all date a man who is a trucker? Like
What?
Date a trucker? Like
Yeah, we fucking with.
Who
Yeah, we
drive
fucking
truck?
with truckers, nigga.
Yeah,
Yes. Why would we fuck with the drivers?
No, that's what I'm saying. I'm asking because sometimes I see the positive, the pros and cons. Like
No.
they might be gone a while.
You wouldn't? Get this bitch tonight. You wouldn't?
No.
Why not? Why not, Tiffany?
Unless I was with you on every fucking.
Oh my God.
Oh, you did. Lot lizards. It's a whole bunch of female drivers now. And I be seeing y'all. Shout out to y'all female drivers. Y'all look good. I wouldn't date no truck driver.
Damn. Why? Damn.
What about a bus driver?
It's all Mama is watching this. Mama don't see this. Yes, she would.